Hello everyone, today we're going to do another review. This time we're going to do a review on the Klein wire stripper cutter. This one is the 11054 GLW. This one is the gloves. Say it glows up to 30 minutes. It cut screws 632 and 832, and it do solid stripper 8 to 16 and not solid 10 to 18. It's really nice. It's one of the most common one. The people like it. Most of the time they come with the handle in blue and sometimes yellow too. The handle is really soft, but at the same time it's a little wide or thick, so you give you that good feeling in your hand. The spring is big, it's smooth. You got this lock here. The lock is very smooth, very easy to get to it with one finger. It's really nice. Here's I cut the screw. They got this little area here so you can bend to do the loop for the cable. Here you can grab some cable in the front, and here is the number to cut the cable. Solid and it's trained there. It's really nice. The cut is very good. This is a 3-in-1. You cut it like nothing. You not even feel any pressure on your hand because it's wide and it's big. Let's try to cut one of the inside cable. See here. This is a 12. Take it out really easy. Strip it perfectly. Do nothing to the cable. Really nice. And then if you want to do the little loop, you put it here. Do it like that. It does a really nice one. If you wanted to fix it a little bit back, sometimes it's not recommended. It's really nice. I'll do another time. Take it out very smooth. So it's really nice. I really like it. Now when you're going to compare it, oh by the way, this back here, you get luminant. So in case you're fixing something and you don't find your tools or something, this nice luminant, you get luminant up to 30 minutes, and you can find in a dark place. I'll show you later on a picture how it look like. Now let's compare it with the latest one. I also have another video on this one. It's Klein tools too. This one is the K11095. This is it's a new model. So usually, I'm not sure if they already changed it, but usually you only can find it on Home Depot. Amazon didn't have it for a while. I don't know if they have it now. But the handle of this one is soft but hard at the same time. I think this one is a little bit more soft. Yes, it's a little bit more soft. But this one, the handle is more comfortable because it's like longer, so your hand fit very well. And the front is a little bit smaller on this one. On the blue one, it's a little smaller. I think that's why you have more space to the front, so your hands are more comfortable. Even though this is soft in the back, but your hand is like really tied up. Like if you would have a hand bigger than mine, you would be grabbing like maybe here, and then it becomes not comfortable. The lock mechanism is a little better on this one than in the blue one because it's a little bit bigger. This one is a little bit small. You need to some kind of just feeling it. You can do it easy, but since it's smaller, probably you can miss it a little bit. Here is bigger. There's no way you can miss it. They are both good. I like both of them, but I think the blue is a little bit more comfortable. They both made in USA. It's made in USA. This one made in USA too. If you want to strip this one, same thing. That's nice cut. You don't have that much to do that much pressure. The cut is good as the other one. The force is almost the same. Even though this one, I think because this is smooth, is more smooth than this one, your hands feel it a little bit less. Yes. Yes. Here, since the thing is a little bit more hard, you feel a little bit more. But the grab is good on the blue one too. You put it in a little bit in the dark, it looks normal. Even when you move it from the sunlight to the dark, it's already look a little bit illuminated. If you put a little bit more light, you see with this flashlight, then you remove it, you see the difference. So if you're looking for that tool in your place, you can see it will be way different from another one. In conclusion, I think the handle of the blue is much better. Even though this one is more soft to your hand when you cut, but to grab the tools in general, the blue one is better. The cut, I think it's because of the handle, it's more soft on this one than in the blue. The blue is not that it's not soft, but it's a little bit less than on this one. The other things are just the same. The spring, they both smooth. Even though the blue feel a little bit more smooth, almost the same. And then they do the same basic things, even though one thing is that the blue can go from 8 to 18 on solid, and this one go only 8 to 16 on solid. The same thing on the side. This one go to 10 to 18. This one go from 10 to 20. So you can cut one more cable, two more cable with the blue one. I think in general, I think the blue one is good, even though this option with the gloss on the handle is very nice. I recommend it. So they very good stripper. You cannot go wrong with any of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Adiós, la nena se rebeló.